Okay, another day on the job, doing a sewer line inspection right now and hit a bunch of roots. So about to locate it and see whereabouts this blockage is. It's actually a root intrusion blockage, so let's take a look. As you can see, the ground's all wet and dirty. I had to flush out some pipes that were pretty clogged up there. So let me go ahead and turn on my locator.
Rigid.
Okay, I just found one pole. Let's find the other one. Okay, we're about 3 foot 1 inches below ground. This is where the blockage is.
That's about the same place it was in the other house.
Okay, so we found that. Let's show you what it looks like right now. That's what it looks like right here through the camera. So my sewer line camera's showing that underground. So that's a pretty significant blockage. That's why it's really important to get your sewer line inspected when you're doing your home inspection. You never know what you're going to find.